In this video I'm going to be using the contour wire path to cut the contour. So let's get started. Now the first thing I'm going to do is right mouse click in the graphics area and then select a top view. Next up, I'm going to move to the upper right and click on the wire paths tab. Now over on the left in the wire paths section I'm going to select contour. So over on the left the chain in dialog box shows up, and at present it's set to chain. I'm going to change it to point, and now I'm going to move over to the graphics area and I'm going to select this thread point here, and as you can see there's the visual cue that allows me to snap to this point. So I've selected it, looking good. Now over on the left down at the bottom of the chain in dialog box I'm going to click on the options icon. And what I'm going to do here is activate break closest entity to thread point. So we're all done, green check mark here. So back at the chain in dialog, what I'm going to do is activate chain. I'm going to move over to the graphics area and I'm going to pick this entity here, and the arrow's pointing in the correct direction, so all is good. Over on the left, green check mark for OK. As you can see, we're all set up for contour. Next up, into wire power. Now I'm going to check mark associate to library, and I'm just going to slide over to the right and click on edit library. Next up, I'm going to click on the select library button. It's going to move the dialog box over a touch, and now I'm going to select cam wire that we created in lesson 1. Going to click on open. Now we're all done here, green check mark for OK. Over now on the left, going to click on cut parameters. Now in the tab section, going to activate tab, and the tab width, going to set that to 0.2. Next up, down at the bottom, cuts after tab, I'm going to activate skim cuts after tab. Now moving up to the upper right, the cutting method, I'm going to leave it set to one way. Now moving on, over on the left, going to click on stops. Now output stop code, it's set to as stop. I'm going to change it to as glue stop. So we're all set here. Over on the left, going to move into leads. Now I'm going to activate max lead out, and for the overlap going to make that 50 thou, and for the max lead out going to make that 50 thou as well. So we're all set. Now this contour has a taper, so I'm going to move into the taper page, and at the very top I'm going to activate taper. Now the style of taper, this is what we'll be using. Now the initial taper, I'm going to set that to 0.5. Now the rapid height, I'm going to make that 1.5. The UV trim plane, I'm going to set that to 1.1. The UV height will stay at 1 inch, and the land height, I'm going to set that to 0.875. XY height is going to remain at 0, and the XY trim plane negative 0.1. So all is looking good. Now for the path settings, I'm going to open up the drop down, and what I'm going to select is cancel taper after pass. So we're all set. Over on the left, just below taper, I'm going to click on corners. So the corner type and radius, at present it's set to conical. I'm going to change that to sharp. Now I'm going to use the down arrow to transport it down to the counterclockwise, and then down below I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to change it to sharp, and then use the down arrow to transport that sharp value down to counterclockwise. So we're all set, green check mark for OK. And then over in the chain manager, green check mark for OK. And there's our toolpath complete. Now that completes this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be talking with you soon. Bye for now.